blackheads, whiteheads, and acne all have the same root cause. The solution I'm going to share with you is much better than the topical creams people are using these days. Those creams only treat the symptoms, not the real problem. First, let me explain the difference between blackheads and whiteheads. When you get a blackhead, the oil inside the pore gets oxidized. This means the oil reacts with oxygen in the air, and because of this reaction, the color changes. This process is called oxidation, just like when a cut apple turns brown. Now, whiteheads are different. They are not exposed to oxygen. What you see as white pus is actually oil, not pus. A very common confusion is that people think extra oil production is the main cause of acne. But this is not completely true. The real problem is not too much oil. The real problem is that the oil gland is not working properly. The oil being produced is too thick and sticky. It doesn't flow normally, it hardens very quickly. This is not normal skin oil. Now the question is, why does this thick and sticky oil form? There are 5 main reasons. Reason number 1, hormones. During puberty, androgen hormones like testosterone increase more than normal. One strong form of testosterone is called DHT. DHT makes the oil thick and sticky, like glue. Reason number 2, insulin. High insulin levels increase androgen hormones even more. This insulin spike comes from eating too much sugar and carbohydrates. High insulin also causes another problem. It blocks zinc. Reason number 3, zinc deficiency. When you eat too much sugar and refined carbs, zinc gets depleted from the body. Zinc is very important. Zinc controls how much oil the glands produce. If zinc is low, more oil is produced. The oil becomes thicker and stickier. Zinc also helps control DHT, the powerful hormone that makes oil glue-like. Now you can see how everything is connected, like pieces of a puzzle. Reason number 4, vitamin A deficiency. When vitamin A is low, oil becomes thick and sticky again. This oil blocks the pores and leads to acne. Reason number 5, most important, seed oils. Skin oil is mostly made from unsaturated fats. The fats you eat become part of your skin oil. Modern cooking oils and seed oils are highly processed. When you eat them, they directly become part of your skin oil. So your body starts using something unnatural and processed. These oils cause inflammation. These seed oils also build up in the liver. A weak liver cannot produce enough bile. Bile is vitamin K. So if you want enough vitamin A in your body, you need a healthy liver. The problem is that we are consuming industrial oils daily, oils that were never meant to be part of human food. Even worse, these seed oils stay in the body for 1 to 2 years. That's why you must reduce cooking oils, outside food, snacks, bakery items. Because these foods contain refined sugar, refined starch, white flour. Now let's talk about what you should eat. You need foods that keep insulin low, keep androgens low, maintain zinc levels, provide vitamin A. The answer is low-carb diet, no sugar, no processed food. When you do this, your skin will start healing naturally. Reduce seed oils and omega-6 fats. Broiler chicken and farm eggs are high in omega-6. Desi chicken and Desi eggs contain more omega-3, which is healthier. Eat good quality beef, mutton, chicken, fish, seafood. Seafood, especially shrimp, is very high in zinc. Red meat is also an excellent source of zinc. Use homemade butter. Desi butter and ghee provide vitamin A. When you switch from junk food to real food, your skin heals very fast. There is no need to keep suppressing symptoms or chasing creams. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.